Checking plagiarism by using Turnitin. Starting from 2025, here is the latest method which is being used to check plagiarism from your files, your thesis, your articles, any of your blog or any of your writing. First of all, we need to go to Turnitin website, click on this website, and here we have to provide our account details that we have created. If you have any issue even in this creation, I also uploaded video. Even still, if you have any issue, you can ask me, I will guide you. Okay, I provided the login details and logged into my account. Now, I would like to agree and okay, I am enrolled in a class. I clicked on that class, and now you can see that there are several options of submitting your file, and I would like to open any of these. Like, I would open this one. Okay, here I have already submitted the file. I would like to choose any other, like this one. Okay. Okay, now here I would like to upload the submission. I agree to the Turnitin. Okay, now I will choose the. I just selected the file from my mobile or laptop. It's your choice. Upload and review. Okay, it's uploading the file. This uploading doesn't mean the file is uploading on Turnitin. It's uploading to this class, and all these slots are no repository. And even if you have any issue of getting these no repository slots, you can also message me. I will guide you how you will get this. Okay, now submission have been. Now you can see that report is ready and similarity is 15%, and this is the right way of uploading the file to the Turnitin to check plagiarism. If you have still any issue or want to remove plagiarism or want to check plagiarism, you can ask me. I will also guide you.